let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet and we're already out. We also trade offline and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Good morning, gang. Let me start with the 15-minute chart like I do every morning and see what we did in relation to the Asian session. Looks like around 3:30 we broke the Asian session highs. We also broke the previous day's highs, and then we came down and we traded to the previous day's close. It's pretty strong overnight session, but I don't know what to say about that. Did we actually break the Asian session lows? That's really close. I'd have to say no. If we had, I would then say there's a good chance we're going to head higher. What did it do yesterday with regards to that? Did we do the 1, 2, 3? No, we just did the 1, 2, eh? Let's take a look at our zones here. We're bumping up into this area about 740, 700 little area over there. Pushed up against it a couple of times. So there's a couple of zones that are quite tight above us. It's going to be difficult to rally strong. Take a look at the daily. The daily, we're still holding above the 50-minute. Not the 50-minute, the 50-period moving average. So that keeps me with a bit of a bullish bias. And right now we are trading right at VWAP. Let me put on the 5-minute chart. I don't have the trading right at VWAP. Previous day's close, the 5 o'clock close is at 574. So we're about 60 points above that. And the previous day's high is at 697. We're about 60 points below that. So we have range to run, 60 points either way, as long as we stay here in the next 10 minutes. Previous day's low at 21,368 is very far away. So I set up Counter-Strike to trade. That's ready to go. It's only going to be trading one today, a one lot, because I want to compare it with Alex. Alex is going to be trading it also. Hey, I ran it last night on with an overnight stream. It did not bad. It made $300, but it was trading 10 lots. But still, that's 15 points. It was up as much as 500 and something. I took a look at one point, $564, I think. So let's see what price does here on VWAP. As always, VWAP is showing to be a little bit of a support because we're coming down onto it. If we get two obvious closes below VWAP, my bias will switch to short. On many of my other indicators, my bias is already short, so that would be good. I like when they're all in cahoots. It's cold again this morning. It's terrible. What can you do? So I want to just take a little playful stab at the market. Let's just sell one. Why am I selling one? Because we had the two closes below VWAP. Although I don't like this this candle formation too much, but we did have two closes below, and then we kind of just kissed VWAP. So my theory is that they're going to push it lower. So this is my warm-up trade. For a one lot. I should be trading such bigger size on this. Hey, good morning. I reset everything for you, cleared the database. It wasn't how we were supposed to do it. The pink one is the Counter-Strike. You have tabs on the bottom if you want to go back to your 4020. It's black, but just so you don't make a mistake. So the pink alerts you that you're on the wrong chart. You don't start making decisions based on this. It's set for a one lot. I set my Bulenox.
Can I close this?
That's gold. You know what?
No, I don't want gold. I want gold. Rather than gold, I don't need it.
Yeah, close it.
Can I move that pink?
That's how it should be done. No, okay, right click on it. Duplicate in the window.
Oh, fuck.
Excuse me, I got a cough. Hold on. Okay, made it back. Markets are open. Who closes above? All by one. Above VWAP. Since it's the one lot, I'm going to hold. I'm thinking VWAP's going to hold. I'm betting VWAP's going to hold. That was a quick run for the coffee. But I made it back just in time. Well, we wicked below VWAP. Oh my God, really? An order submitted already?
Oh, you put me on MNQ?
Yeah. I don't know.
Why would you put me on MNQ?
I don't know. I just reset your charts.
Oh, thanks, bro. There goes my money.
Okay, Bulenox took a trade. You got a Bulenox trade. You're welcome for all the work I did for you.
Thank you for that, but no thank you for this. A chocolate pistachio background.
Yeah. So I put chocolate.
Pink chocolate. How does it work, Counter-Strike?
I thought you were going to put up a trading view to see
The breakout?
see if they match. Okay, I'm hoping we see continued strength in the markets. I'm on the wrong chart, actually. Again, the wrong chart. I don't need a 30-second chart. Hello, I can't set you up now.
Said who?
David, hold on, maybe I can.
I hear you, I hear him.
Hello, do you hear us?
Got my mic? Yeah, good. So now I can't hear him.
Why, your mic doesn't let... Your mic is for speaking,
David,
not
do you
for
hear
hearing.
me?
I haven't connected it, Alex. You guys just don't listen. You're showing up on Market Open. I have to take links and copy them and bring them in. I don't even know if David hears me. David, you hear me? Plus, you guys don't like to answer, so... Alex, me, this is David, copies. Let's bring
We gotta
him
do all
in.
that. We were all in the room. I could have just spoken.
Audio. David. Yes, you don't hear me? Great, I'm going to spend time now with more...
It's complicated, that's what happens. Dave, do you hear me?
No, he's not even in the room anymore. He disconnected.
No, I know what you're talking about. I go, wait, I hear myself too. With or without that thing in my computer.
It's funny, I don't hear you.
And now I hate it because now I'm hearing every single detail extra loud again. Your chair sounds like fireworks.
Oh, you're like a grandmother with your complaints.
No, it's pretty bad. Yeah. Oh, what's going on in the room? Yeah,
Just reconnect.
you have to reconnect. He unplugged me on my side, changed something, I'm not sure. Alrighty, bro, have a nice fucking trade.
Well, try not to connect after the market open. Maybe try to connect 5 minutes before.
Because that tweaks the settings every morning.
No, I don't tweak the settings. I have to put in the link.
Okay, it's fine. Just join the room. Tell me if you hear me.
Okay, so we are going to get a trade now on the Heiken SGs. Once we get a retrace, but you gotta get a retrace into the bands. We had one on the long side over here also, but I didn't get to take it.
Dave?
Yeah.
Do you hear me? Do you hear me well though?
Hmm.
Yeah, I heard you say hello, hello, hello. It's okay.
.31 to 9:31:32.
Guys, just do your login like at 9:24 or something like that so I can hook it up. I have a lot of buttons and settings I gotta do. I can't create permanent links. Okay, we got the retrace into the bands over here. So what I'm going to try to do is take a short, and the auto share calc is going to calculate the size for me, and I'm going to go for 2 for 1.
Is wood chip here?
I'm not sure. I haven't seen him chat.
He'll probably come by.
Yeah, maybe he's just listening in incognito, taking a break. Still indicating a 1 lot here for $40 risk. Oh, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. I had it set wrong. I had it set it for long. I had to click the button on top here for short to calculate the size. It's inverted. That's something you have to remember, and you have to remember also to click the unlock button when it's time to start scaling out of the position. I think it's going to enter now. And I'm right at the VWAP, so I'm going to enter a little bit early. VWAP's going to push it lower. But if we get a close above, I have to bail. You see?
Yeah, that's the problem. Like you're short, then I see the big SMT with the S and then Q.
I don't want to take a short just to go highs on NQ2.
Oh, I have neck pain.
I think Counter-Strike took a loser.
Yeah, it did. Dude, the loser was fast. I got in, boom, 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 negative $24 in like an instant.
Yeah, there was no follow through, and it was the first candle. It's too bad. Okay, so I don't need Counter-Strike up here. Let me try and get organized. Let's get back onto the 1 minute. The 1 minute, this is going to be in 9 seconds at close. Above VWAP, 2 bars. 22, good morning, 22 trades. Have you taken any trades yet this morning? I have a bias long at the moment. Hoping we take out the US session highs over here at 21,670. It'll give me 16 points. Still wiping the sleep out of my eyes. How is your session going? I don't know. I was kind of disorganized, so I'm red on my Apex account by about $200, and if this trade goes, I can get it back into green if it would just run. I need someone to buy a 1,000 lot in the real market. And my bot took one winner and one loser so far.
I started the morning up. Right now I'm up 1,000 on each account.
Whoa.
It was a nice short.
Mm.
It was a candy sweep. I haven't had one in a while. Give me my candy, boy.
Mm. How are the boys going? Well, that was David who just spoke, and he's up 1,000 in 2 accounts with Top Step. And Alex, Alex is green in his Apex account, and he's also trading Counter-Strike, the bot. And he's slightly red on that one. If I remember, you're the one in New Zealand, right? Time difference is like 12 hours. So it's... No, wait a minute.
Hey, lots of SMTs, man. Yes, there's lots of lows to go hit.
Oh, you're 6 hours behind us. Oof, and you're awake.
That's crazy.
Ouch. Let's see if we get a second candle close under VWAP. Still 40 seconds to go. If you want to quit the 9 to 5 grind, you got to get up and get working. Yeah, I guess, the US, but there's also the there's the London markets that might be better for your time zone. There's a lot of volatility and movement in those markets.
Can you take your voice out of my headset?
Not sure how.
I hear you like everywhere. Or you double.
We'd have to...
I hear you when you speak, and then I hear you when he repeats.
Yeah, we'd have to check how to do that. Let me do a quick test. Hey, Alex.
Just go on my name. Can I mute individuals?
I have this mute button here. What does that do? Do anything for you?
Mute will probably mute my mic. Oh, wait, give me a second. I'm here. Do I see people? Who's this? The director has muted you. I was already muted.
Go into settings.
It wouldn't be here.
Audio. Change it. Get rid of it.
Je parle pas de moi, je parle de toi.
Yeah.
This is you?
No. Go into settings. You're hearing me. Turn this off, and you won't hear me. Choose speakers. I don't know. Choose one of them. Try them. You still hear me?
Where'd it come out of?
I don't know.
Talk.
Hello, hello, hello. Doing a sound check.
Say it again.
Doing a sound check. How is the sound anyways on the YouTube stream? I didn't check that either.
Hear you everywhere.
Hello, hello. 1, 2.
Hey, Buck Daddy. Obviously, you got some. We're hearing all of them.
I don't know what all of them is. You have one headphones on your head, so
Here,
I don't have
all
of them.
settings. You're speaking on all of them. The only one you're not speaking is this, but it's coming out of my computer, my monitor.
Then turn your volume down. Simple as that. Jesus, you need
I don't know what it's-
Oh, come on now. There.
Oh yeah, there.
Now turn this off.
You don't hear it? You still? Hello? Yeah. It's to my headset. To my controller, I think. What did I tell you about plugging stuff into my computer?
What did I tell you? If you want to
It's
put
not-
the
it's not
9 to
on
5
power
grand.
supply.
Well, unplugging your controller. You're not playing a game right now.
It still takes power because it's plugged in the back of my thing.
Okay, now that all the confusion is gone, I'm waiting to take a long.
Oh wait, that means I don't hear David anymore.
No,
Is he talking?
he didn't hear you. He didn't hear you talking.
Dave? Okay, whatever. I'll hear you guys like that.
Yeah, now it's just trying to figure out how to hear you, but not me. It is possible, but we have to play with it. I don't know where I'm coming. Where am I coming out of on your thing?
Nowhere.
No, I'm hearing it.
I don't know.
Target failed on that one. Coming up to the previous day's close. Hi, sorry. Nice run here. I didn't even check that.
There you go, I got it. David, speak. Yes! Look, simple as 1, 2, 3. I told you, you're bringing me to bullshit.
I didn't tell you anything. What I told you was clearly come down before or at night and we'll set it.
I found
And we'll work on it. Not while we're trading.
I didn't even take a trade yet.
Planes don't do the repairs while they're in the air. No, they don't. Don't be stupid. You don't want to be first trade taken, ran straight to tape P. Good job. What was your setup? 22?
Oh, here, I'll change it up, but do not disturb. It's still buzzing. It's impossible. I just turned on do not disturb. That's why you think my do not disturb is on. When I put it on this phone, it connects to the other. It won't buzz anymore. I just put it on. That's why you see that. Little cat just texted me. Did it buzz? No. I know. If I put do not disturb, it doesn't buzz. look at this up move.
Yeah, still running crazy strong, eh?
Wow.
Hard to get in. 1 minute chart at 9:45 with TP at 7:09 under the previous low. Yeah, nice trade.
Let's check if they build me.
Don't do that. Don't play with things like that now. With the screens and stuff.
What do you see? You see nothing.
Nothing, but you never know. It's just good to develop good habits.
No, they didn't. You know what I think? I think they're gonna build me again when they sent me the email around 1 o'clock.
Okay, well, I'm kind of sitting on my hands here until we get a little bit of a pullback, because I can't really take a trade now. I missed the first trade on the 15-second chart after it changed to green, so I'll wait till that to change to red or brown. Wow, that was a really strong bounce off the 21,600 level. And we have crossed the London highs, which looks like that's where 22 had his fake profit. And now we're pressing up into the upper end of this zone over here, which is based on these levels. I drew it off these levels over here. We touched it 3 times, twice from underneath and once from on top. Actually touched it a couple of times over here also from underneath. So let's see if we stall out over here. I'm having a hard time making any headway in my my 300K account. And it's partly my fault because I'm disorganized in the mornings. And then it doesn't help that I'm scrambling trying to set up the audio with you guys once the market opens. Okay, we're trading down into previous day's high. This could be a good area for a bounce, or at least for this down move to stall for a second or two.
Oh, that's a big wick on the 15-minute.
Yeah, I also wanted you to set up your trading view. I wanted to compare. I wanted to have top step here and trading view there.
We compare at the end.
Yeah, but if you can have trading view there, then I can have mine here.
Okay.
We'll have it tomorrow.
I think there's a potential for a change of direction over here at the previous day's high, so I'll just take a small 3 lot. I'm gonna add to it because I just got a...
Bro, I'm on NQ. How am I still, 1 lot is $2? Am I not getting something right? NQ's the big one.
points. It's not dollars.
I don't understand.
That's the dollars.
Why'd you take a short?
I didn't. I went
Oh,
long.
so how did it randomly change?
Why'd you take a long?
No. Right click. Right. Hold on. Right click on P&L. Properties. Check points. Change it to currency. Okay. Apply. Sorry, Dave. What were you saying?
Oh my
Take a
god.
long.
I took a long because first I figured we would bounce off the previous day's high, which we did. I don't know if you can see my charts. That's that green dotted dash line.
I have the line on
And
my
the
own
rank goes,
chart, but I
and the
don't see your
rank
chart. I tell you this every day. I don't see your chart.
Yeah.
The
Okay. And then we got a signal on the Renko.
Damn, well screw me, I sold.
So that was
That's on your 300k.
yeah. So then I added.
Okay, hold it till 771.
No. I got out and I had to take care of Alex.
Already?
Yeah, we had a little bit of problem and I closed it. So
when I saw 7
I
points,
take care of it.
It was 7.
I was good anyways. You know me. I take partials quickly. I don't think I've settled in my head that I'm holding for 40 points like Al. Which I should. Why 770? What do you see at 770?
It's the what I have here is the weekly open, but it is the weekly open. Yeah, we have a big volume imbalance from 771 all the way up till like 900 levels.
Mm.
And those normally get filled. It was that drop remember at the beginning of the week when that Chinese AI talk came out.
Yeah, DeepSeek.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't even know why that affected the market.
Mm. Where's wood chip at? Well, it is now 7 in the morning where he's at. So I don't know. Maybe he's sleeping in today.
Oh. Was there news?
9:57. I don't know. A little air
You know what's
pocket
funny?
there.
It's like 3-4 air pockets in a row before 10.
No, really.
At random times before 10. Like between like
8:38.
9:45 and 10 o'clock.
Wood chip. It's 8:38 where wood chip is at. No, it's not. It's 6:57. 8:38
He's saying
is.
8:38 is a...
I know. I'm being a little sarcastic.
Oh, man.
Well, that's a good thing we weren't in that. It's a good thing we got out, right?
Is there news today, Dave?
I didn't check. Let me check.
Check.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Nope. There was at 8:30 advanced GDP and unemployment. For 10, no. Pending home sales, but it's orange. 10 a.m. It's not gonna do nothing.
Yeah, I'll speak. I just want to see something.
Bella, speak.
Perfect.
Speak.
Speak.
I heard you didn't sleep well last night.
I was worse than you. I really didn't sleep well last night.
Do these help? I heard they have medication in it.
They help a little bit. Okay, so we have two closes. Are we going to get two closes below the previous day's high? Anyways, I've switched my bias to bearish. I ran an overnight stream, unattended, trading Counter-Strike in the London session. A 7-hour stream, but it only traded for I think 3 or 4 hours. Anyways, it ended up when I closed it up 300 and some odd dollars.
Nice.
Trading 10 lots though. Took me a long time to set it up with nice graphics, but came out good in the end.
You can add my screen so that Alex can see it.
I can. We'll work on it. Not during market hours, not during trading hours. You have to click screen share.
Dave, you could also do it on Discord, huh?
You know the link that No, no.
Yeah, I could just get Discord on my computer. Log into Discord and I'll share my screen with you all. But thing is, Dad has my login and stuff. My dad doesn't let me go on websites without his permission.
Did you get in though, eh?
All right, 10 o'clock. Opened up and head over.
You had a 1 second though. You had a nibble.
Yeah.
It's like super quick. You would have gotten it.
Makes me have no hesitation.
I don't know how fast, but my eye caught that one bar. No yellow for less than a second. It was in the blink of an eye you had.
Okay, so I'm set up here now for potential short trade. My 15 second, it just switched over to bearish momentum. Now I need to retrace into the bands. And as I said, the auto size calculator will calculate my position size.
I don't like it here. It seems too obvious.
Yeah, it's right on VWAP. Yep. I'm going to leave it. Okay, it's working identical. The two. Yeah, it'd be better to have a retrace up into the 21,680 level. I wanted to see that 838 that Woodchip was talking about, but 50%, I don't get what it was 50% of. I'm looking here on the...
Oof. Now this one you didn't have.
Oh shit, I forgot for news to disable it. Yeah, we gotta disable it for news. We can get clipped.
Yeah, but news is at 10. Alright, news is at 10.
Disable this.
Disable?
It's 10:02. Yeah, come on.
Wow, look at that drop.
You're in. Get out. Click that. Let's go.
This?
Yes, this. No, this here. Yes, chart trader. Close. Technical difficulties again?
Were those points again?
I hope not.
Why, it was good. I was on the right side.
What are you up? I'm up 16.
47.
Yeah, it was points. Switch it. Here, P&L.
No, it's not. It's dollars. $46.
P&L. Right click.
It says dollars.
Properties. There it is. We're not switching there. We're switching here.
$16.
Currency apply?
Yeah, I'm only doing a one lot to match with Alex, but now I can't match anymore because we had an error there with the news. We have to shut it. We have to be so aware of that. Not feeling good. Still the blues from yesterday, Woodchip, or something else? Catching our cold. I didn't wear my mask.
No, he's doing it on my Bulenox, David. Just to try to catch it up because gold hasn't been working well. So you put Counter Strike, it's up $45 for me, but I got a lucky one from news that gave me like $40.
Wow, look at these moves. I'm just missing everything.
Because my boy David gave me another, didn't give me a trade again. My boy David, he doesn't even hear me, he's gone. Doesn't even play COD with me anymore because Call of Duty decided to give them the option to disable crossplay with PC players. And since they're better, David doesn't play with me anymore.
Well, I'm going to take a small trade here just for a 2 lot because we just bounced off the previous day's close.
Well, do I turn it back? Counter Strike?
That's a good. Give it till 5 minutes. Yeah, it's 5 minutes. Yeah, you can turn it back on.
You sure?
Yeah, the craziness is gone. I'll make a note. You have to see something.
Me?
Yeah, you have to understand. Why?
Why what?
Why it has to be closed for the news? It's not just the. No, it's not that. Look what happened. You see how this looks like normal?
Yeah, it put us in short.
No.
And long first, no? Then took us
When news comes out, it does this. It bounces up and down between the bid and the ask. You can execute like 100 trades in 1 second on big time news. This wasn't big time news. Okay, so Bulenox is still up. I'm going back to the 1 minute chart. Yeah, I was thinking David turned his mic off because I think he's talking to Mimi and he was talking to
Well, how do we miss them all?
You're short?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm sleeping, I'm not paying attention at all.
How did it take it?
Coffee's damn good.
How
Sure.
did it take it?
What do you mean?
Bro, look at it, the line.
Oh, I didn't get that close.
It breathed.
Shit, it's right on the close also, the previous day's close.
Wait, how big's a loss?
It's got to cross the channel. You don't have the price channel? I didn't put it on there for you? Yeah, there should be a price channel.
The losers are big, huh? $38 that one.
1.8 times approximately, but it's an 83, 85%. Put up an 8-period Donchian channel.
Yeah, I understand. I'll do that right away for you.
Zig, 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 that's the indicators.
I'm in a trade.
Oh shit. Why am I not in a trade then?
Wow, what a sharp move down.
Hmm.
Wasn't 10 a.m. news though.
Yeah,
Pending
well,
home sales orange full. It was just a normal 10 a.m.
no, something came out.
That doesn't cause that move. Pending home sales. Orange full.
Didn't really change my price much.
I took it, Mike.
Yeah, I did too. I'm completely
I had a
disoriented.
bad fill.
I had bad fills. I'm not paying attention. I'm watching to make sure your Counter-Strike is working properly.
Bro, Mimi wanted to come.
You said 1.8, but the winners is like $12. I just lost $39 on that one. I lost 32. My first loser was 2 white bars, and my other loser was like 4 white bars.
Yeah, it depends. If it's a poorly timed loser, it can be a little bit bigger.
You said it has to do with the price channel.
Yeah, it's got to close outside.
What did you say, Dave, about Mimi?
Yeah, what's up, Dave?
She's begging me to pass la balayeuse.
Bro, wait till she comes live here. You're gonna have 2 mothers. There's gonna be 2 women in this house giving you shit on what to do all day long.
It's 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m. and she wants to start making noise.
Oh, she wants to do it.
She wants to do it. I thought she was telling you to do it.
No, to do the stairs in our rooms. I'm like, bro, I'm busy.
Wait, so she's gonna be vacuuming under your legs.
No, I told her no. I told her don't turn it on.
Well, another bounce off the. Look at the 15-second chart. The previous day's close is holding. That's pretty impressive.
I already found something, an amazing trade, the candy sweep.
I will find another one.
It was very, very nice.
Yeah, previous day's close would have been a good place to take a look. It's a little bit
I'm looking for something else.
counter trend, but
If I could catch a 2R like on my next trade, I'll be up 2,500 on my top step accounts, and hopefully I'll be able to make like 500, 600, 700 on my tick trader.
Bigger retrace. Pop up
Mm.
up here. Wanted to pass that little high.
Alright, this is the cycle low, the 1 minute candle. Let's try
Come on, NQ. One more bar would be beautiful, huh? Right here and then short.
Mm. I'm watching it. I'm going to take it on the 15-second chart. I'm going to get it a little bit earlier. Short is
It goes in and the move's
Selected.
very late, right?
which?
These, I find it when it goes long, we're like up here. When it goes short, we're like here.
It's being filtered off the 1 minute, so I have to check what the filter is. It's a three bar price channel, I think, on the 1 minute, plus one other thing, maybe the VWAP. Okay, 15 seconds. It's a $40 trade, and that's it. I'm out as quick as that. It didn't go.
Go short now.
Trade number one. Using the
Damn, now we gotta wait again.
auto lot size indicator from TradeSaber. But I go for 2 for 1, so, or at least 1.51 if I scale out. No biggie if the first one's a loss.
Pass me up, no validation. Wow, this crypto's having a nice bounce.
It's scary up here, Mike.
Bounce that ass.
It's a
crypto.
scary
Well, we
up.
got a little bit of room till VWAP up, so it's possible we can run.
I don't know, look at ES, bro. That's so many lows to take.
Yeah, well, if there's lows to take, there's highs to take. There's always something to take on both sides now.
Hey, we're 3 years. Is what chip here?
Yeah, what chip is here? Oh, I don't know. I didn't check. No, we didn't log into the audio room.
Oh, so just me, you, and Alex? Oh, yeah. It's 3, I
I told
guess.
you they look more nice here. It's too bad it didn't give it to us here.
In short to 505. That's a nice target.
Playing a lot between the bats today, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Playing my thumbs along. Oh, XRP is carrying us.
How much lower we can go? Bro, Carl, give me a good pick, though, for Ondo.
How's it doing?
Good.
What'd you get in it?
Like $1.30, got $1.63. You caught a nice one. I don't know, apparently, you know how, like, there's, like, a banking term or an accounting term called securitization, like, where, like, you'll take, certain assets.
Tokenization, you mean?
No, but I'm talking about for, like, assets in the real world, like, it's, like, called securitization, like, well, you'll take, like, let's say a business will need money, they'll sell you their accounts receivable. They'll take an asset and they'll make it, like, they'll take, like, an asset, they'll make it like a security. They'll sell you their accounts receivable, so you can collect the payments from the people who owe them money, and you give them instant money right now. You know, so you'll give them, let's say, their accounts receivable is going to collect $1 million. You'll give them like I don't know, 900,000. You know, they'll take a loss just to get some sort of money, and like the BlackRock way, or I guess the crypto world, they have like tokenization. They want to tokenize assets. And apparently BlackRock is working with Ondo. That's the rumor. But it's like in the top 25 cryptos, I think, now.
Wow.
Already. Already.
Fair value get
Buy the rumor, sell the news. Was there something with XRP2 I heard?
Yeah, apparently they're supposed to start working with XRP2 in a month. Start working on something.
Yeah, I saw it on Twitter too.
Yeah. So.
What time
Give us
frame is
something
that? What time frame is that fair value gap at 560? 22?
Green, black, black.
Is that something that happened in the overnight session, maybe on the 5 minute or in the 1 minute? 560. We have quite a few others we got to get through first. We're trading. We're trading at 598 right now. Well,
I didn't really see any nice trades at all after the first trade I had at like 932. Don't have any retrace, any liquidity sweeps on the way down. So you wait, we wait.
Come on. Okay, yes, I know yes wants to go. And QB the leader.
ES has been leading lately.
we just can't catch a decent break on a good runner.
Well, you're just consolidating here.
Yeah, at the previous day's close, 5 o'clock close.
5 at 6.
6 is the open. Closes at 5, opens at 6 an hour later. Yeah, gold is over 2,800, eh? Look at that. Oh my
Wow,
God.
look at Bitcoin, 106,000 again. A lot of the big hedge funds and all these things like MicroStrategy and everything, they all have really high targets for Bitcoin for this year.
I told you they're all like 200K and above.
250,000, 180,000, 210,000.
I don't know where the extra 2 trillion is gonna come in.
I don't even know where the existing 2 trillion is from. Crazy. It's insane.
Yeah.
The amount of money that's getting pumped into these cryptos.
BlackRock bought a lot the other day in Bitcoin. 22 trades wrote.
I don't know what that means.
BlackRock, the BlackRock
22
group.
trades wrote.
22 trades.
22 trades.
That means every day he takes 22 trades.
Is a guy in the chat, and he wrote BlackRock bought a lot the other day.
I just said that.
How much did they buy?
Alex hears me.
I don't know. A lot.
That's good. That's good.
Officially a lot. David, all of a sudden you got loud. Would you move the phone?
No, I don't know.
You were blasting there for a minute. Okay, it's time to break through the previous day's close. Let's go. Let's show
The more
some.
Bitcoin runs, the better for me for my altcoins after. Bitcoin dominance will drop and it's flood into the alts. Wow, 52 billion in volume. 2.1 trillion market cap.
Look,
What's
you
the
see how
market
low
cap
it
of
went?
gold, Dad?
There's an error with the order entry. Okay.
I have to take it. Do you see what I mean? How low it went short, like here. It goes short low. Anyways, I'm not complaining. But you said something? You said there's an error?
I got an order entry error. I had to bail on it.
Do you think because we're both doing it? I hope not.
Nope. It was because it moved fast, so it probably
did.
put in a limit order on the wrong side of the market by the time it tried to price
Once I
them.
caught up, I took it here.
Yeah, also I covered at 103 or something. The error, the order entry, 22 trades every 22 seconds. Oh, that's more than me.
I don't even want to take another one.
Another one, what?
Damn, another trade. It's too good of a it's not too good of a price though here.
Well, my
Alex, how do you sleep on the memory foam mattress?
I slept pretty decent.
Bulenox is down 32
Yeah.
cents. You, how you doing?
Wait.
Alex, tell you, apparently I woke him up during the night.
Stepped on him?
No, I was dreaming and I yelled.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Mimi was doing one of her famous,
I think David was
For real?
talking to her.
yeah, last night. Really big.
No kizzy. Actually, you heard
Yeah,
it?
yeah. It was a big time. She was singing. Poor girl. She has nightmares every night. Could you imagine? I'd be afraid to go to sleep if I had nightmares every night. It sounds like someone's murdering her in her dreams. You know what it sounds like? It sounds like she's in an episode of Dexter.
She's Dexter's target.
Dexter has her on the table.
Yeah,
Dexter has her on the table.
every night.
You know why you're here.
Je veux le bel écolier.
Come on, we're 2K away.
Your father-in-law is like that, but is he screaming in his dreams? Like, my grandma's here. She's staying at the house for a while, and it's my mother-in-law. It's not my grandmother, but close enough.
Close enough.
Close enough.
I didn't tell you what David did
She's
though.
your grandmother.
I didn't tell you what David did. It woke me up and I got scared.
Hmm. Oh, really?
Like as if he was a dinosaur protecting his own family. And I woke up and I'm like this. Hey, what was that? And I'm looking. I'm like, oh shit, it was David dreaming.
Thing.
Hey, the funniest one is I was having a nightmare. Mom woke me up, but it just went into my dream. She kind of really didn't wake me up. So in my dream, I went and punched her, and I punched her in the face for real.
No way.
No
You
kidding.
didn't punch her. You probably just like tapped her in the face.
No, I hit her hard. Ask her, yeah.
Black eye.
She remembers.
When was this?
I don't know, 6 months ago or something.
Not for real.
Yeah. He wakes up the whole house from screaming. Wow. You ever record it? And then play it back for him?
He wakes up the whole house from screaming. That's crazy.
Crazy, crazy. They're hilarious when you listen back to them, eh? I mean, it's not funny for the guy living through it, but... Well, while I'm waiting for my next trade, if anybody is new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm a new channel, and it would really help me get out of the YouTube basement. Click on the like button also.
You don't like the YouTube basement?
No, it's cold. The floor is made out of cement. Takes a second to click the like button. It's free. Move the mouse, click, done. One time I was up trading on the couch at their place, and he yelled out, "Fuck, you're pathetic." I burst out laughing with my phone. That's funny. But that's not a nightmare. Fuck, you're pathetic. That's just someone being upset. My mother-in-law, it's nightmares. It's nightmares like she's being murdered. It's utter terror. And it's every night. Poor girl. Poor woman. Yeah.
I don't know the gun though. The G36 off work. You play overtime. No, the Black Ops 4. That's what that is. Okay. Oh, SOG for BO4? Different. That's the SOG for BO4.
Why don't you put on the price channel? I kind of want to see it anyways. Those are horrific colors. They're so washed out. It's driving me nuts. Indicators. Go down the Donchin channel.
Never even heard of that.
Price channel. They just call it Donchin's because the guy who invented it. Right there. DON. Double click. 8. Go down. Just see what colors are being used. 8 is right. Looks good. I don't see them. Anyways, we'll fix the colors later. We could be getting a long trade.
But then ES still didn't take out nothing, bro.
Yeah, and we're playing around here on the previous day's close.
I don't know. I'm happy with my number. That's the problem.
Yeah. Don't know what to tell you.
It's David. David. Where is he?
I don't know. He closes up sometimes, and he, walks around the room.
Disappearing.
Well, he got 2 good trades. Look, he says he had $5.5 for the day.
What do you mean he got 1?
Yeah, no, 2. He said.
No, he said 1. He said if I get the second, I would be up 2.5 on each account.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he only got 1.
Oh, I thought he was up 2.5 already on each account. I was saying, wow, that's super. Well, Alex is seeing a lot of lows that need to be swept on the ES chart. So I just took a tiny little one lot here on my Apex account. I'm still down $30. I recovered. I was down as much as 400. But this is kind of, I would call an impulsive trade. It's not really a setup, so I'm not going to take it for any size. My nose is blocked. If I sound funny, this cold will go away at some point. Let me get another 7 points out of this and I'll bail on it. Let it go down to 553 bid. 553 bid. Come on, 6 away, 5 away. And I'm feeling better. Ah, that's a lie if I say no to that. Yeah, I'm feeling better. But my symptoms are making me sound more sick. But no, I'm definitely getting better. As odd as it sounds. You sound better. Oh, really? I thought I sound much worse. I almost lost my voice on the stream yesterday a couple times. Sell me one. Join the ask. Oh, that is the 1029. Initial balance alarm.
Is David back?
I think he is.
Yeah, I'm back.
Is that what I hear?
You hear me?
Yeah.
You're so crazy.
Target failed. That was Bulenox. Alex.
I missed it.
Alex,
you got it?
Alex got another Bulenox trade. What do you mean? You got your Bulenox trade?
557.5. What price did you get in? 557.
No, Bulenox. You got a Bulenox trade.
Bro, you went short early.
Bulenox.
Yes, I know.
Counter-Strike.
Did you get this and you were short there?
I don't know where I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know.
I
Yes, you don't know. You don't
know.
follow the rules,
Cover,
bro.
cover, close.
Where's close?
Flatten all, whatever.
You say breaks all the
Away.
rules.
I am. I was just hoping.
No, I'm not breaking all the rules. He's just jealous.
Do you YouTube video. The YouTube video is on is gonna be live tonight. You're gonna go back, watch from 9:30 to
No, right here, 10:30, exactly at 10:30.
yeah, exactly at 10:30 this one. But watch from 9:30 to 10, and I'll show you the Rankos. Dad went long before market opened for nothing. Then he was like at one point up or down like 36.
Excuse me.
Random position.
No, I was never at 36
You had like
lot.
an 8 or 10 or 12 on some.
Oh wait, at 36
Mike, I'm
lot.
watching you. Don't even try to defend
A
yourself.
36 lot, and now it's an 8 lot.
It was pure and du n'importe quoi.
No, I actually have this here. You see, it's on my chart. The brown. I'm trading over here on the 15-second chart.
On your 1 minute MQ on top, and then you started down 300 something.
Alex is jealous.
Sixth position. You bought at some line.
Jealous.
Click the
Why
F.
am I jealous? I'm up 1.2k.
Click the F. Yeah, so I'm up 196. You're jealous.
That-
Click the F.
Yo, look at this down move.
Yeah, I know.
Catch it.
David, are you up? Are you
$5,000.
up 2.5K each account or 1K?
No, 1,000 each account.
Oh, okay.
told you don't listen to him.
Alex, the F.
What F? What do I need it? You don't need it. I need it, not you.
But I soon will be up 2,500 each account.
So if you were doing 3 lots, how much? What do you have there? 46, 64? I can't see.
46.
46. You would have had 150. That would have. Looks like it'll hit my TP. I forgot what your TP is. It's short again.
So that's what's scary. Like, how's it short here?
It's reading momentum. See, sometimes I'll even take a trade now. Alex will say, "Oh, yeah, I took one trade that was impulsive." Officially.
You're so impulsive.
I'll find you the both.
Well, I had a reason to take it.
Okay, it's doesn't matter.
Ah, look at that loss.
With the one lot, what are you complaining? It's $23.
You guys want to focus on your trading?
Yeah,
Please.
I'm trying to. Oh, did you take that one? No.
Trying to also. Alex is focused on other people.
Damn. Again, that was
A big one.
$38
Yeah, no,
loss.
that's a big one. That's why when I get 5, 6, 7, 8 winners in a row, I get out.
It never lasts forever.
See, like now I'm going to be taking a trade off the 15-second chart, Alex. Oh, you're breaking the rules. No, I have other charts up.
My argument was on the chart up there. Nowhere else.
Way to go, sir. Is that an eval or a PA account? I hope for you it's a PA account, but even if it's an eval, that's great.
You can't say PA. People are not with Apex.
He is with Apex.
They think PA means practice account.
Okay, so I ended PA. Excellent job, man. What size is the account, if you don't mind me asking?
$4 million.
50K, 150, 25K.
It's a 1.3. It's probably 150k.
No, 50K. Some people take some decent size on 50Ks.
It's a 22 million account. 50K.
Is I the one? Tell me why. Tell me why.
I'm gonna wait. I don't want to touch it here.
David's in a good mood. He's singing. You know, David had a good day when he's singing.
Tell me why. Well, those are the best days when I set up my charts at 9:20, 9:30, 2, I get a move and I'm out.
What was the setup on the 30-second chart?
Yeah, a candle sweep.
I deleted my 30-second chart. It was
Secret setup of the gods.
getting in my way.
The magical setup sent straight from the heaven. Yeah, sweep of a high S&T.
Okay.
Sweep closed within the range, delivered from a fair value gap. One singular inverse in the leg that swept, closed with speed.
You're giving away your trade secrets for free.
Just beautiful. Tanked right to TP. I did partial though. I only had 2 cons. It was supposed to be like a $1,700 trade, but I partialed one as soon as we took the low because it happened pretty quick.
Okay.
So I only made 1,000 instead of like 1,005 or whatever. But can't complain.
I'm not comfortable. Let me get more comfortable. Well, we got one close on the 1 minute chart. I'm going to expand it under the initial balance low, but then we closed back inside it. So for me, like I said, when I see 2 closes, that shows weakness. That shows that price is very likely going to hold.
I guarantee you there's a lot of people taking that 3-minute inverse back up, the one that's about to inverse.
3 minutes inversing on the 1 minute also.
Yeah, I know, but you gotta look for the higher time frames. I don't even know if it inversed.
But we're right under the previous day's close again, so it's not really a great location to be taking it.
Yeah, I don't take big fair value.
Not a good location to be going long right now.
Good work though. You don't know, you never know.
Yeah, of course. Anything can happen.
We filled up the opening range there, the opening new day opening gap. So
Yeah.
you know, swap liquidity too. It could definitely go up. I don't have a say.
David, you want to tell anybody who's new in the channel to subscribe and click the like button?
No.
No. No, he doesn't want to. I command you. Oh, come on. Okay, what am I looking at? On the 15-minute chart. Lower left, we have taken the Asian session highs, and then we've taken the Asian session lows. That tells me that there's a high probability we go back up to the Asian session highs at some point today. With that in mind, I should be inclined to sub yesterday. Yes, you did 22 trades, I remember. Thank you very much.
That's because they hate us.
Don't do that. I'll get a copyright strike.
That's a great thing, okay? They
hate us because they ain't us, okay? That's a great saying.
Where's that from? Is that from a movie?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
from the interview. Is that what?
Watch it. You're gonna see. They
They
need.
hate us because they ain't us.
YouTube needs 4 seconds and they'll catch it.
That's a great saying, okay?
You'll see there'll be
They
a
hate us
copyright
because they
violation
hate
on the
us.
stream now. You guys are getting me in trouble.
No.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I played a 4-second clip from the Flintstones. It didn't even have music in it, and there
When
was.
people have a soundboard and they play a clip from SpongeBob or anything, it's all those are all.
They'll get a
strikes.
copyright strike.
Bro. All those people are live. They're in their car. They're not allowed to put music to in their cars and stuff. And
No,
everyone has to be
that's
so
TikTok,
silent.
Alex. TikTok, I don't know
TikTok's
if you're-
different. TikTok's different.
TikTok, they play everything, bro. People play,
YouTube, yeah, you put
Rihanna and
you
Katy
try
Perry songs.
you try that on YouTube. It'll cut your legs off.
California girls from Katy Perry.
Well, Patrick Whelan has music sometimes.
Like the music I'm playing, it's music he's created. I created all the music that's playing now.
Great or no?
Or you go and you pay. There's websites that you can pay, and you can even play music from the popular artists.
They hate this because
Why
they
is
hate
XLM
us.
running so much?
I actually had the link, but then when my computer crashed, I lost it. I gotta look for it again.
You know who sent me that yesterday? It was Carlo. He sent me that. They hate us because they ain't us. That's a great saying.
Okay.
They hate us because they ain't us.
Oh, the moves have been so like one directional. People are in that 3 minute, I'm telling you, Mike.
Yeah.
They inversed it fast. Sweet bang, back up.
Al, you want to work the chart, please?
You're gonna see
Yes,
Doji
sir.
posted. It's gonna work out, you're gonna see Doji posted. This is the play of the day. I didn't take it, but I alerted it. I alerted it, but I didn't take it. Alright, give me something. Oh. Yoy.
No, between you and David, who came out first? You did, eh? I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did. I
By
think.
4
It's
minutes.
going, Mike. It's going, Mike.
In 30 seconds, we'll have the second close above the previous day's close. See here. I'm going to get in now a little bit early.
Because at the end us. Okay.
I hate this because I
You guys still here? We're all quiet.
Yes, not. Oh, I pulled up the thing. I readjusted the mic.
Hello?
Target filled. You target filled?
Ooh, she a rebel.
Now, when I get yellow, I'm going to add. See, there's method to my madness.
It's okay. You don't have to explain it to me.
Well, because you don't know where my brain is thinking. It's like you're
Right, just thinking I want to get in. What excuse can I give?
no. You're a, what do you call it? A backseat driver. You don't know what
Yeah,
the driver's
1,000
thinking. Well, John,
different
there's a car in front of you. Of course there's
You
a car
have
in
too
front of
many
you.
trades.
And
You have
I'm
like
aware of
1,000
it.
trades.
No, I've diversified my systems. Yeah,
Yeah.
hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? I have to cough. Hold on. You see? You cursed me. You
What
jinxed me. I
actress you
had to
call?
get out. No, there's not someone else in the room.
No, I said David doesn't hear us. He keeps saying hello.
He hears us. The mic's working. Oh, he's not working now.
Dave? Dave?
He did something. He pressed a button.
David, I think you muted yourself.
Let's check. Alex, me. This is David. David, speak.
Gone.
No, there he is. He coughed. Hello? You hear
He
us?
doesn't hear us.
You see, you guys don't answer, so I said you hear us, and he doesn't answer. Doesn't
He
mean
doesn't hear us. David, do you hear us?
Well, there's no reason why. Microphone. Dave, you there?
You just texted me. What's happening? There you go. That just put something in. Now we hear you again.
Okay, it's because I unplugged my this mic.
Do not disturb because you said you don't want my other phone to buzz in your room. I told Dad you don't hear us. Dad's yelling. He hears us. He just doesn't answer.
No, sometimes you don't answer. You guys are like that.
I said he would see.
You guys aren't responsive all the times. Sorry for the arguing.
Oh, she a devil. She a bad little bitch. She a rebel.
Oh, my throat's starting to really hurt now again. Excuse me.
Say what I
It is
said.
time for a lozenge.
That's the one that made it instead.
Well, that was a shitty trade. I need my screen.
We'll have it in 2 seconds.
Close it if you're not using it anymore. I'll put it on mine.
Take it. I'll just go off yours. I really want.
Wow, I just realized my mic was off. It's okay. I'm gonna take a piece out on this pop. Long. Good. I'm in good company. I'm long with wood chip. Sounds like I'm crying, but it's not because my boys are picking on me. It's just because my throat's going. Okay, that trade didn't work out really well. Keep trying. Yeah, today the previous day's close is really acting as a magnet.
It is. My God.
And we're just
Look, yes, it looked at 7 in the morning.
yeah. We're just trading on both sides of it.
Come and trade on the floor. Learn to trade so much more.
Oh, it doesn't go short here?
Disappointing. No, it has to first find bearish momentum on the 1 minute chart, and then it'll go short on the first.
Right here, oh wait, we have school. I forgot.
You know what?
Leave it run till when? When do you leave it run till?
It's officially will run until 11:55. That's what it's programmed for. But like I said, when I get ahead, I stop. When I get ahead by 40, 50 points.
That's all I'm doing. I think I'm just gonna close everything. Up for the day.
What happened
Ciao, Dave.
to what chip?
Ciao, Dave.
I don't know. I'm assuming he's still here. He said he's long 3 minutes ago.
Futures flow.
Okay, let's take stock of where we are. Still primarily trading under the previous day's close. We had one close above and then we came right back. On the 1 minute chart here, one close above where my cursor is, and then one close below, so that wasn't a switch of bias for me. Where I got hurt is where I took this trade over here with the two closes. Oops. Yeah, sounds good. Is it 11 already? Okay, well, what do I have? What's my my MFFU from last night is up, and that's about it. I'm slightly down on the other accounts. Dave, are you still there? I just forgot to tell you something. Huh? See, here, take a look.
What?
how small the loss is going to be on this one here. That next candle closes up. It depends on on how the candles form. Well, we got one close below the initial balance low on the 1 minute chart, but we're moving back inside it again. So this is a difficult day to trade. Anybody trading for continuation on a move based on these levels is getting hurt. I'm not taking all the trades, but I'm taking some of them. Boop, boop. Well, I haven't hit a Heiken SE trade. I took two. This is my third one. If this one doesn't hit, then I am putting a buy limit for two. Perfect. Got the 1-to-1, and this is the 2-to-1. Let's put that in as a take profit. I'm going to put in a buy stop just to get out, just in case at break even. I don't want to lose money on the second piece, but let's see if we can get my 2-to-1 on that final piece, and I'll be happy. Let's go, let's go. Target failed. That's good. I'm happy. That one worked out. Oh, look who just made an appearance in the green, Apex, at $3.24. Hey, look. Even 1 cent green is better than 1 cent green is better than being red, right? I'll be back in just a moment. Oh, are we going to the basement now? Now we're getting some decent moves. We've gone under initial balance. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Putting a line here at the US session lows. We've broken through that. And that's the full session. So that'll have to get adjusted lower, but the session lows that were put in place at early on, 15 minutes, that's like at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. last night, my time. I read your post, Witcher. Everything isn't settled. It's still, still unresolved. We're still going on. Well, I can agree with you 100%. If your head's not in the right place, you definitely shouldn't be trading. I concur. I've learned the hard way. And you start to become self-destructive, and screw that, and you don't care anymore. And then when you come back the next day, you regret doing it. So, yeah, just watch the markets close up. Well, definitely short bias. And you know what? I think I'm going to try another trade saber trade. I got to fix my price. There we go. That's nice. I'll close it. Very good. Thank you very much. That was a nice trade based on... let me put it back over here. Hiking that sheet, as I said, retrace into the bands. And I have the short range highlighted. Target filled on Bulenox. All is going good now. Look at that. The sun has come out. The clouds have parted. And you know what? Let me reset that sim. That sim is from last night, by the way, that you see 359.80. That was Counter-Strike trading the London session at 10 lots, just to let you guys know. And I live streamed that. I'm going to live stream it again tonight. It's going to trade from 2 a.m. till 5 a.m., 3 hours. It's going to trade 10 lots. So edit account. I want to get rid of it. I don't want it in my face. Clear history, yes. Okay, and it should be gone. There we go. Now it's just my accounts. That sim isn't taking a space. Oh my God, do you realize what's just happened? You guys don't. All my strategies just got removed by resetting. That's not fun. Maybe it's a sign. Maybe it's a sign that I shouldn't be trading anymore. Well, let's start slowly. Start putting them back on. Start with the fair value gap. Put it on the 1 minute. Let's get this up for the Ikeneshi charts, but it's not going to paint backwards. It only paints in real time looking forward. Put up my 5-minute chart, get the fair value gap marker over here also.
Yo.
Well, if this bearish fair value gap inverts, I wouldn't be
Oh,
inclined.
back, you're so moist.
I don't think I would be inclined to take it because we're, you know, you close it.
What'd you finish last season?
The bar would close at 21,500. What do we have? We have 15 points up to the initial balance low. Not really a lot of room to run there. Boop, 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 boop.
No, actually, I'm not. I'm west. I'm on 50. Yeah, me too. I'm on west. I'm on west 50.
Hmm. So the bias is definitely short,
Your
right?
left call, yeah, right there.
Yep, short. Everything is short.
One up top here. We spawned barn, damn. Yeah.
I could get a short trade triggering at 69. We trade down to 69.
I got the back.
Let's see, we are, yeah, okay, see how we bounced off this zone here 3 times. I was looking at it at 10:30 when we were just at the top of that range. And I was saying to myself, let's see what happens. Okay, they pushed it back down again. Okay, well now we're in the middle of these 2 ranges, so there's room to run again
Can we
in
just watch
either
my
direction.
back? Go and spawn, watch the back.
15-minute, I get to see quickly, clearly that we're below the Asian session lows and below the London lows and below the previous day's close, which is the black dashed line, which also happens to be the Asian session and the London session lows. How crazy is that? So this is an overall bearish day, I would say. No! I didn't want to get that extra fill. I'm going to get punished. Let me get out. I really just wanted 6 on that.
One are back, one coming from the back, damn.
I was chasing a trade to set up on another chart, and I just kept clicking sell the ask, hoping one would fill, and I ended up getting 3 filling. I will add to this trade right here a little bit. That'll improve my price.
I threw a trophy.
My stop on this is at 83 approximately, so 8 points from my entry now. And I still will scale out a little bit here at almost $100 up. Every time I click that, I don't like that. That's always a bad omen. Bye, ask. I'm scaling out.
They spawned Lambo. There's 3 on the Lambo
I
side.
don't care. It's a bad omen for me when I click buy the bid and it goes right back up to my entry price.
Behind us too. Damn.
I have a decent profit today in the Apex. I mean, my target is $1,000. I've been under trading it for the past couple of days. I'm under the weather. I'm tired. I'm not sleeping well. Those aren't conditions to be trading aggressively. I'm making a lot of mistakes.
Feels like my field of view got like it's like zoomed in.
I haven't even had it on my mind to try for 42-point trades, which is... let me buy market one on that little move to lower. Scale out another small piece. And goodbye. Goodbye, Charlie. That trade's over. And I might just get right back into it. Counter-Strike is saying, beep, it's funny, it's like, oh, Counter-Strike went short. I'm going to short a 2-lot with Counter-Strike. It's got to change pretty similar to sales. Oh, really? Ah, because sales, even if you're pissed off, okay, you might do poorly with the sales, but it doesn't cost you money. I'm not feeling great about this trade. I need it to go down another 4 or 5 points from here, and I'll feel better about it.
Where is he? Fuck.
I'm getting out of it. That is true. Oh, the damage we can do. At least let me... Hey, target filled. Excellent. Let me rephrase that. The damage that I have done when I was either pissed off or under the weather or not well rested, I don't even know which one is worse. I think when I'm angry, like if I had a fight with my wife or with my kids, I become self-destructive. I guess you have to know your own triggers. But that's what gets me. And I know not to do it anymore. I'm very self-aware, and fortunately, I still make tons of mistakes. I still break my rules a lot, but I am self-aware and I know when it's coming. I know when I'm getting bored, I know when I'm getting impatient, agitated. Yeah, I did a lot of damage to my accounts when my mentality was, fuck it.
Who's a player?
And then I said to myself, well, if I'm saying, fuck it, it means I don't care, right? So if I don't care,
2 on rock.
then I can just close my platform because I don't care. So instead of doing damage to my accounts, close the platform. You don't care. You don't care, then you shouldn't care about closing the platform. I missed an entry. And ever since then, it's been a little bit better. Now when I'm in a fuck it mood, I close my platform. Most of the times. And for my son beside me, when he's on tilt, I try to intervene if he lets me. I've gotten a little bit more strict with doing it though, with intervening. last couple of times I intervened strongly and I told him, look, I don't care if you're going to be pissed at me, but we're closing it down. And when the rage parted and he was seeing clearly, he agreed it was the right thing to do. I've missed a couple of good trades. It's too bad. It's too bad. That's life. Wow, these $300,000
I'll get side door.
accounts are discouraging. I'm at 305,779. It's been, I don't know how long now, maybe a week, week and a half. I still got 15,000 to go before I hit, before I get the target and get a PA account. But on the bright side, then I only have to get to 7,500 to take a payout. Well, okay, more, because you got to maintain the, what do they call it, the threshold. I don't know really what to do now. I'm bearish, but now I kind of feel like I'm chasing if I get in. I can't take a long. That would just be ridiculous. So, yeah, not sure they appreciate it. Sometimes kids think dad's
Yo, Apostles, you want to play a bit?
just the old dummy. But in this case, I think they understand because I have decades of experience over them. Problem is, I don't follow my rules, and I think that's a bad influence because then they say, well, you didn't do it. You didn't follow your rules. You took a trade you shouldn't have. You traded on tilt. Why can't I? And my answer to that is because the coach doesn't have to be as good as the player. I'm a much better coach. You know,
Yo.
yeah. But it's not even that. It's the coach. The coach doesn't, it's, you know, you got a coach on the ice with a hockey player telling him how to hit top corner, what technique he should use, how he should place his hands, where he should be looking, the positioning of his feet. It's not for the coach to be able to do it. It's for the superstar $8 million player to do it properly. The player can't say, oh, well, coach, you're not doing it, so I don't have to do it. That would be ridiculous. I got a trade here on the Heiken SC. Exactly. But they understand the lessons. They've seen the damage that trading on tilt can do. And they know it's wrong. So you have to be forceful, you know, because when you're on tilt, you don't want someone to tell you what to do. And you know, it's almost like an alcoholic or a gambler.
No. I used to when I was a kid.
So when you don't want anyone to tell you to stop, get away from the table, or stop drinking.
Bro, I'm on 100 ping.
But
My God.
when you get to finally yank them away and they listen, the next day they're usually grateful that they listened.
Shit,
You know,
we're all on a high ping.
Just to give an example, yesterday Alex was a little on tilt. He has a 150K account. He's at 156,000.
57.
157 now. So, you know, it looked like he could potentially do damage to the account based on his emotional state. I said, close it down. And later on, I told him that it's not so much he has Apex account. It's only $33. It's not the $33. It's the time you invested to get the 157. You know, if you blow that account now just because you're being hot-headed, you got to start trading now responsibly for another 3 weeks just to get back there. You've thrown away all that time, not just the $33. And thankfully he listened, and today he made a 1.1 or 1.2K on that account. He's closer than ever to passing. One more good day and he can almost be at his 159, and he's got his PA, 150K PA. And then get a payout on that. And then start growing your orchard and get a payout. You take that money, you buy another eval or two, you copy trade him.
Zip.
Yeah, I'll tell you a little secret. Alex was an ICT trader, a lot like David. And
Wow.
I brought him over into the world of active scalping. He's doing very good at it. He picked it up like in 2 weeks.
One in our back spawn.
But then that's why we argue, because I don't always follow the rules, and two, I have a lot of systems that I track. And so when I take trades off of those, he thinks I'm breaking the rules because he's just watching one chart. And he doesn't see an entry on that chart, and I'll take an entry. I say, no, Dad, you're taking every entries anywhere and your impulsive trades. No, I actually have an entry. My sizing is inconsistent. Sometimes I cheat on my sizing. Especially when I get...
I got your back. I got the right back.
Especially when I get impatient. Like today, I'm up only $203 in my Apex account. It's a 300K account. You're not going to get to 20 grand making $200 a day. I got to make about $1,000 a day. I try to pass in a month.
I get the guy on umbrella. I got the guy on umbrella.
So normally I would want to start trading much more aggressively now to try and make my target for the day, but I was down as much as 500. So I said, you know what? I made almost a $700 swing on that account. That's good enough. Come back tomorrow with a fresh mind. Besides, like I said, I'm unrested. I'm sick. I'm a little distracted.
What?
Definitely not at the top of my game, so... Hey, I'm glad Bulenox is doing well. Anybody interested in seeing the Counter-Strike profit graph? Counter-Strike trades the Bulenox account. That's the BX02844. It's a bot, an algo that I've put onto this account. It's a 50K account. And I think I'm going to call it a day. Account is green. Trailing threshold is green. Go for it. Good man. Thanks for showing up. I appreciate it. Hope to see you again soon. And go get some Z's. Go get some sleep. It is almost 5:30 in the morning where 22 trades is at. Good session this morning, team. Have a good day. I thank you for showing up.
Bro, how did he know?
I hope you had a good time. That's what it's about.
Spawns flip. A little gin bad. Another one, little gin.
You see, I can tell you this was an impulsive trade. I can be honest about it. And Counter-Strike just went long. I can put it up on the screen over here. You can watch Counter-Strike. That's the Counter-Strike trade.
We flipped. Top cat, pushing front door.
Do. See ya. Oh, what chip? Here, there. Come on. Counter strike.
Steps.
I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it early, and I'm closing counter strike for the day. Oh, would have hit target.
Top kitchen steps.
Oh, I still have a piece over here. Well, Chip, if you're in the mood to connect via audio, let me know. I don't even know if it's still open. Oh yeah, it's open. Testing the mic, it's working.
Wow, they're pushing. Why are they pushing?
Sound check on YouTube, give me a second. Sound check on YouTube. Oh, it sounds a little low, my voice. And that is highly possible because I switched to the mic that...
Another one trying to get spawns. Drop pool.
Windows likes to play with the volume settings. Probably dropped it. There we go to 61. It should be in the 90s.
2 front door.
You know what? I think I'm going to switch mics. I'm going to go back to... Nope, I'm not going back to that one. He's not working. Wow, look at this run. Well, remember what I said. There's a good chance we revisit the Asian session highs. At some point during the day.
1 bedroom, one of those.
681,
the
not a
ballroom.
guarantee, but if we close on the 5-minute back inside the initial balance, there could be a potential for that kind of rally.
Nice. White top cat.
So we just got the retrace into the price. Well, it's not a price channel actually. Those are moving average bands. I will take
Little box, man.
a long, so I got to switch it here now to long range. And I will take a position based on the size that it gives me. There we go. And I will target 1-to-1 for one lot.
Bro, that gun kills way too fast, bro.
And I will target 2-to-1 for one lot. I will also add over here a 2 lot at the 50% line. And I will stop out at the 0. Now let's see what happens.
1 shot. Back step.
That's all I can control. The rest is up to the markets.
We have spawns.
The market will do what the market does.
2 back steps. Nice.
If we get close to my even my first profit target, I'm going to cancel my extra order and I'm going to put in a sell stop at break even. Traded very close to my ad, but Wow, I have a good entry. I like my entry because my other system says I should be long at 32. And 39 is an easy target on this one. There is a very high probability that 39 will be reached, so I'm going to bring this down to 39. Only because I have statistics behind it. So I got it a little early, and now sell stop for 1. I change the volume, it says 2. At break even, and we'll just let it go now and try to get 2 to 1 on this last piece.
Bro, I spawned out. No, I spawned out. Maybe someone's there.
I can remove the fib lines, we don't need them anymore. Everything's marked off.
One behind bathtub.
And this is a riskless trade. Oh, you know what? That's good enough. Don't be a dick for a tick. I'm happy. Not gonna complain. Don't tell anybody I got it a little earlier.
I don't know. Done?
Yeah, guys, you know what? I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's 11:30. It wasn't too bad. All my accounts are green. Not spectacularly
Two
green.
more. One behind bathtub.
I have nothing red. I go all the way down. There's my PAs. I didn't trade them today. Some of them. I think I have 3 listed here. I don't know. 3, 4, 2, 2. In total, I have 5.
GG, boys.
Other ones with rhythmic. I didn't even load them up. And yeah, that's it for me for today, I think. And I will be back at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern time for the evening stream for 1 hour. Try to make 100. I used to try to make $60. Now I try to make 100, 150. I'm getting more comfortable trading the evening session with lower volatility. It's true, I never really looked what the volatility was. Very high, very good. 19 points right now at 11:30, a 19-point range on the 1-minute candles. Looks like we had some very high numbers today. I even forgot. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm off. I even forgot to check that. I check that every day. I check that religiously, and I forgot to check it today. So again, anybody new, please click the subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. It would make me feel good to see my numbers go up a little bit, even if it's by 1 or 2. And I'll be back in the evening. Wood Chip, special shout out to you. Thanks again for showing up. And hope to see you in the evening. And hopefully by my time, 6 p.m., all is fixed and you got a smile on your face. Okay, see you guys soon. Thanks for showing up. Bye.